Once upon a time there was an engineer. Choo-choo Charlie was his name, we hear.
Yep, here I am, Mike. It ain't RBI. And I'm not sure what this street is here at the moment. But we do have a train coming. So let's get up here and take a look. And there she comes. I can hear it hitting the diamonds. And this is a no train horn crossing. Lots of tank cars. Oh boy. And there she goes. Yeah, down there is where the Wheeling and Lake Erie crosses. Diamonds right down there. Be neat to catch something there one time there in the future, but maybe I accidentally cut off the record here. I guess I'm gonna have to splice this section of video in, but there she be. Like I said, I'm not sure what street this is, but we are in Wellington, Ohio. And I guess we'll catch you on the next one. This is NARBI Radio. See you in the next one.